Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best pillow top mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sweet Night Pillow Top Mattress. This next option is the ultimate luxury mattress. The Sweet Night Pillow Top Mattress offers the perfect balance of comfort and support, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking the ultimate sleep experience. This mattress is as stylish as it is comfortable, as it has a breathable quilted knit pillow top cover and bright gray side panels. The quilted knit pillow top cover is skin-friendly and adds to the plush design. The gel memory foam layer adjusts to your body temperature, ensuring a comfortable sleeping temperature all night long. What we like about it: quickly reaches full size once delivered. Balance of firmness and comfort. Excellent motion transfer capabilities. What we don't like about it: may be difficult to move around. Number 2. No Villa Pillow Top Mattress. Are you tired of restless nights and achy mornings on your old mattress? The No Villa Queen mattress might be the perfect solution for a peaceful and comfortable night's sleep. This mattress has an ideal blend of comfort, support, and durability for a night of deep, restful sleep. With a 10-inch hybrid pillow top, this mattress provides unbeatable support and comfort. The gel memory foam and individually wrapped pocket coils inner spring ensure that your body is cradled in the perfect position, while also providing cooling relief. What we like about it: made from sustainable materials, suitable for those with back pain. What we don't like about it: may sag prematurely. Number 3. Ashley Pillow Top Mattress. The Ashley Pillow Top Mattress may be your new favorite bed. This option is the perfect choice for those seeking luxurious comfort and restful sleep. This high-quality mattress has your body in mind, featuring layers of support foam and gel memory foam that work together to alleviate pressure points and reduce motion transfer. The foam layers provide exceptional support to any body shape or size. Side sleepers will rejoice in the relief they feel each morning, thanks to the pillow top's cottony softness. What we like about it: supportive for those with back pain. Adapts to your body shape. Durable materials for a long-lasting mattress. What we don't like about it: may be too firm for some. Number 4. Vibe Pillow Top Mattress. The Vibe Pillow Top Mattress may be the back pain solution you've been looking for. This mattress can provide you with a restful sleep night after night, thanks to its unique blend of the orthopedic support of a traditional wrapped inner spring coil mattress and the unparalleled comfort of conforming memory foam. The beautifully detailed stretch knit cover with gorgeous sapphire blue panels adds a touch of luxury to your bedroom decor, while the gel-infused memory foam layer ensures a cool and comfortable night's sleep. What we like about it: great for those with back pain. Supportive design to avoid pressure points. Easy to transport and store. What we don't like about it: material may sink too much. Would be difficult to enroll. Number 5. Swiss Ortho Sleep Pillow Top Mattress. Are you looking for a luxurious and comfortable pillow top mattress to upgrade your bedroom? Look no further than the Swiss Ortho Sleep Pillow Top Mattress. This high-quality mattress comes in convenient packaging, providing a support system that contours precisely to your body for a comfortable and undisturbed night's sleep. This mattress is temperature-sensitive and body-forming, with extremely durable materials that will last for years to come. The mattress can help to relieve pressure points, allowing blood and oxygen to flow more efficiently throughout your body for a deeper and more comfortable sleep. What we like about it: more comfortable than other options. Easy to set up. What we don't like about it: may wear down quickly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.